Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to create publication on Substack. This is very simple. First thing you will have to do is to click down here to this More button and then click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings and you can scroll down. When you see publications right here, click on Create another publication and here choose your Substack URL and then press Continue. This will take you to this page when you can import your mailing list or skip this process if you don't have one. You can add your first subscribers, so most people start by adding close friends or family, so just add them right here and press skip if you don't want to do that. Now this is recommend other Substacks, so you can recommend some of these if you want or skip it. Now your publication is successfully created. As you can see, I have 3, before I had only 2. It is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.